Hey Steven, I'm just starting out as a content creator and photographer. What are the most important things to focus on in the beginning? I'm struggling with creating content on a regular basis because it takes me so long and I'm not so experienced yet. And if I post, I hardly get any views. Is it important to have a strong Instagram account as a reference before reaching out to find clients? And what are some important points I should have in mind when I make a contract with a client? The last thing is the pricing. It's so hard for me to know how much I can ask for when someone asks for my prices. How can I calculate my price? And how can I avoid being too cheap and working for less than I could get, but also don't lose clients because of too high prices? I know these are many questions. Yes, they are. And many not easy to answer, but thanks for the possibility to ask these questions. I think, and I truly believe, if you are starting out, you have no, like if you are starting out as a content creator and as a photographer, that tells me that you are really at the beginning of this. And that's totally fine. There's nothing wrong with that. That's beautiful. I mean, you're exploring and you're experiencing new challenges and all that. So that's great. You're pushing yourself. However, there's no way that you can just try, like, you need to build a skill set here. And I think people forget about the whole content creation, universe, that you actually need to be able to do something that is good. You cannot just post something and expect people to pay you for that. And I think that's the misconception which is out there. People think they can just really always just kind of like copy paste content creators, maybe just like me. However, the thing is, there's experience behind that, right? Like I have been in creating like videos and photos for like over 10 years now. I have been a freelancer before that. I built my skill set basically over a long time. So if you are just starting out, you should not even think about clients just yet. Not saying that you shouldn't get into marketing or sales and educate yourself about that. However, you should really focus first on becoming a very good photographer. And now here's the trick. And that's the beautiful thing about social media these days. Interest based. There are so many people out there like you, starting out as a photographer and as a content creator. Document it. Document how you become a better creator and photographer yourself. Document everything because people will relate to that, right? You're going to basically show what you do on a daily basis, create and build authority along the way while becoming better, and you build in public. And what that does now is it creates a high relatability with people just like you. So they're going to follow you because they want to learn more from you now. And they are maybe not ready to actually share their stuff yet. And it also attracts clients sooner than later because it shows what you're actually doing. And it also shows that you are willing to work very hard. And trust me, a client usually doesn't really care about how they get the product. They just want a good product. But there's still many, many people out there who really want to know who is behind that and what is that person actually doing and why would I book that person. And if you already build a presence on the internet that is transparent and sharing so much value basically for free, then they will ask to work with them. Like they will come to you and be like, hey, I want this to be something that, is a collaboration or at the end, a job. But you need to first become that photographer that gets hired for that. And it doesn't mean that you cannot do anything right now, but you shouldn't focus on clients. You should focus on building authority and skill. Build your skill, become a good photographer, and show this with your Instagram account and your social media presence. Document. And that is how you ultimately basically grow as a creator, grow as a photographer, and you also grow an audience. like that's a win-win-win situation, and you will have more clients quicker than you think with that approach than focusing on how you can basically pitch someone a skill you don't really have yet, because they will just not hire you again if you mess up. Like, you might be good, but if you're still beginning, then there's a lot to learn, right? So don't focus on the money, focus on the skill, and then the money will follow down the line.